So today I'm showing you guys a little quick eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I'm using mostly all Kat Von D for the eyeshadow. Mostly this little Shade and Light eyeshadow quad. It comes with 4 little some smoke, and it comes with 4 eyeshadows. So I'm using these as the main thing for the eyeshadow today. I'm also going to use a little bit of the Saint Center palette for more of the metallic shades and also for my eyebrows. But yeah, this one, it was on sale at Sephora for like $15 recently. I don't know if it's still on sale. They've had the other ones, but I think the other one sold out. But I think this was like the last one available. This is the only one I got. Also, I bought it when I bought Starflyer, the new Everlasting Liquid, the Glimmer Veil. So I got that too. So I got these two. So it was a cool order. It was all Kat Von D. And honestly, I like these eyeshadows. You can just create one look with just this little tiny eyeshadow quad. You can do a smoky eye, you can do a cut crease, you can do like whatever you want. It even came like little cards in a little package, in a little box. It came little cards like that tells you like how you can do eyeshadow with it, how you contour your eyes or whatnot. But they're on my desk, not for like getting up to get them. But yeah, but I'm gonna create a little cut crease today, and I'm recreating a cut crease I wore last night. So yeah. Okay, so I wasn't doing my eyebrows first, but I decided not to because I did the eyebrows last yesterday. I've been doing that lately. So anyway, so first I'm gonna start off with the eyeshadow. I know I'm looking a bit wacky until I have my eyebrows on, but first let me start off with eyeshadow. I'm using the Kat Von D little Shade and Light quad. I'm gonna be dipping my Wet n Wild blending brush into this white, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it all over the eyelids. Kind of give it like a base, you know, kind of like kind of like a first transition color. It's not really that like white, like it doesn't really come up on my skin really, but it gives it like a base. I know where I'm gonna put my eyeshadow. Okay, so next I'm gonna jump into the gray in this little palette. It's kind of like a bluish grayish. I'm using a smaller blending brush. This was an e.l.f. blending brush. The one I used previously was I think from the new line, from the new Wet n Wild brushes. They're really nice. They're rose gold. I think they're running like $7-8 in this one. I'm not sure. It might have been like $6 or $7. I don't remember. It's really nice, and it makes my eyeshadow look blend really nice. But anyway, so I'm using this e.l.f. Blending eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna dip into this gray right here. There's a little bit of fallout right there. I'm gonna dip into that, and I'm gonna kind of blend like all like right here. I'm also gonna bring the crease out, kind of like towards like my brow bone up here and onto my nose a little bit. Kind of like what I did yesterday. It was a very dramatic cut crease. Something people normally wouldn't wear. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to bring it down from here all the way up here. So yeah. Okay, so now next, I'm using the Shade and Light palette again, the little eyeshadow quad, and this time I'm dipping a little crease brush into this black right here. I think yeah, it's a black. I don't know. I thought it was like a really like dark, like bluish gray, but I think it's black. I don't know. But yeah, it's black. So a little bit fallout, but we're gonna dip into that, and then I'm gonna go and kind of like go back to where I did it right here and kind of like darken the crease a bit more to get more depth, to get more shadow. I'm not gonna like put like a lot. I mean, of course I'm blending it like up into the gray that I just did right now. But yeah, I'm basically gonna be applying it like all right here and just blending it. I'm probably gonna be blending it with this little brush probably. Well, I'm applying it with this brush, maybe blending a little bit more. I'm also gonna be blending it with this e.l.f. blending brush right here. Also, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I added tape right here because like I realized that I wanted to have like a straight line, so I added it like while I was doing the eyeshadow over here. So crease with some concealer, and I'm also using a little concealer brush to kind of like make the lines more fine, so yeah. So next I'm using the Kat Von D Center palette. This time it's going to be for the insides of the crease. Let's see. First I'm using the shade Cathedral. I'm going to apply it right here, like on the outer wing of it, and kind of blend it. And then next I'm adding the shade Heaven, which can like, go more in the center, kind of bring it up a little bit. And then an inner crease, like on the, right here, on the inner crease right here, I'm going to add Absolution. And I'm also bring Absolution over here to the top of the crease to give it like more of a shine to it. So yeah, I'm applying it with my fingers, and I'm also using a little flat eyeshadow brush to be applying them more closer to where the other eyeshadow is. So yeah. Removing this tape right here since I'm already done. I might have to like conceal this other side a little bit more because I think it looks fine. Actually, I don't think I got any eyeshadow on there because like before I had applied tape, I kind of blended some down there and I was like, oh snap, and then I put tape on. But yeah, there we go, nice and clean. I might have to clean it up a little bit. I'm not sure. No, it looks fine. Might have to clean that little part up there. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty good so far. Alright, so now next I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light eyeshadow quad, and first I'm gonna start off with the white shade. I'm gonna kind of brush it underneath my eyes right here, just for like the first to map out where the eyeshadow is gonna go, just to give it like a base too. And then of course next I'm using the gray. I'm using a little crease brush, and I'm gonna apply it right underneath my waterline, maybe blending it out. I'm using a small angled brush, and I'm applying the black right underneath my waterline, and then I'm kind of blending it out onto the gray a little bit. Applying Kat Von D's Basket Case eyeliner onto my waterlines. Next I'm applying Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner onto the little inner corner of my eyes right here, and I'm also applying it, I'm going to do a little wing up here, connect it up here, just make it more, just give it some more, I don't know. I'm just going to do a wing. Okay, so now let's finally do my eyebrows. I'm trying to look at the Mona Lisa, sorry. So I'm using Sabbath from Kat Von D Saint Center palette, and I'm just going to dip in my small angled brush, and then I'm just going to draw my eyebrows. mascara and eyelashes. The eyelashes are actually from Alien Cosmetics. They're like a little store from Instagram. They're really awesome though. I love their eyelashes. They also have makeup brushes and glitters. I bought the set from them. I think it came with 626 and Space Queen. I'm wearing 626 now. And they have a blue sheen. I don't know if y'all can be able to see them. Maybe I'll do close-ups of them for at the beginning and outros. I don't know if y'all will be able to see the blue sheen, but they're really, really pretty. They're not as fluffy as Phone Home, but these are like really nice. I love them. They're fluffy, but they're not too fluffy. But like, I love anything dramatic and cool, so yeah. But these are really nice. I think they go really nice with the look. They're blue. It goes with the gray. Like, the gray looks like it's blue, so yeah. So next, I'm be contouring my face. Just like how I normally do. I'm be using the Untitled Cosmetics contour palette. I'm be dipping my brush into these two shades right here. First, I'm apply this one, blend it out, and then I'll apply this one a little bit, and then blending it out as well. I'm also going to contour my jawline, and then I'm probably use the white, what's left of the white, and this yellow over here to kind of define the contour a little bit more. Okay, next I apply Lime Creme's Blue Flame onto my lips. That is about it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I had fun. I have fun creating this dramatic crease. I wear it out and it's all fun to wear, and I enjoy doing it. I like to do the blending. I like to blend a lot, like with the shadows and stuff. So that's fun. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, so make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more coming up. Also be sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter. I'm mostly active on Instagram, like all the time. I'm always active, so I usually post sneak peeks of makeup tutorials on there, or YouTube videos, or I'm always just posting. I have like a bunch of pictures, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Bye guys, thanks!